How you going, guys? Nice to have you back. Here we go, another one. This is our next house to do. This is at Camron Street, the West End. This is before we've started. So the fence, the safety fences are up. The builder starts demolition this week. We raise it next week. So brother will come in on next Wednesday at this stage and raise her up and slide her across. She's got to slide 1.5 meters that way, and of course raise the meter that way. So let's go have a look at the place, huh? Here we go. I just went through the builder with everything that's got to be demolished. All right, look at that. This place is is at least 100 years old. I think it's over 100. The builder says it's 96. But she's got fibro everywhere. So, quite a bit of work to do. As we go down the back. Now all this is being demolished to all underneath. These stairs off the side, they're all coming off. That room there comes off. We're leaving that wall at the moment. I think at the moment that this floor stays, but that all comes off for the extension that comes out. All this stuff here, it's all got to go. And yeah, so this is what it looks like underneath. It might get a little dark as we go under here, guys. So this is what the house looks like underneath before we get to it. Okay, everything's still in there. Here's how we see it before we start doing our job. Take a walk through. There's the old laundry. Of course, back in the day when this place was built, it didn't have laundries inside. Well, you had laundry. It was a copper tub. And a wood fire to heat it up, or gas if you were lucky. Down here, West End, yeah, they may have had gas. Back 100 years ago, maybe. I know they didn't have sewage. It did come soon after that. But yeah. Where is she? 125. Oh yeah. 100. So she's built on the turn of the century. Getting a bit dark there for you. They're 100 mil. 100 by 50 mil or 4x2s for the floor joists. That means here in Brisbane she was done around the turn of the century, around 1900. Because after the 1900s they went to 5x2s. Right, not bad. So he's got a lot of fibro to take out. All right, here we go. Look at the buildings going. There's lots of building going on here at West End. Stuff going everywhere. But yeah, he's got to take that rim off the back. All those pieces, they all come off. Just back to that bearer. And then we have all the wooden stubs, timber stubs. A lot of stuff to come out. It's all right. It's a big home. It's going to be twice the size by the time it's finished. Ooh, sunshine. And that's where it's got to move to. So there's our boundary pegs, or house pegs rather, not boundary pegs. That's where the house is going to slide over to. All right. Get up here and show you the corner. It's a cold morning here in Brisbane. All right, there we go. Landing's got to come off. Cool. All right. Well, that's where it is. I thought I'd take a video of that so we can see what it's like before we start. And then next week we'll take a video, hopefully, of the house being jacked up and moved. See how we go. All right, guys. Thank you very much for viewing. Please, if you get the chance, the subscribe and like button would be very much appreciated if you punch those for us. And we'll talk again soon. Take care. Have a great day. Enjoy the videos. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.